They create time for things they shouldn't create time for. The dead should bury themselves. Even my late father, he told me, values remain. I am analog. They say I'm analog. Thank you very much. I'm analog. You know now. I am the daughter of my father. I'm proudly so. I carry his ornaments proudly because he had integrity. He didn't need to give me money. He gave me hooks to go and get my fish, for which I am thankful. He gave me a blueprint. This generation we are raising not in deep trouble. And I can tell you why they are in trouble. We are spending our time building houses, buying cars. They are waiting for you to die, to sell the houses and sell the cars. And you need to drink Hero, Mayane. So keep doing what you're doing. Do not train your children properly. Do not give them value. My father told me, now the Igbo man, crime, now crime, na Igbo, for the original Igbo man. But the war, maybe child 5 no war, we are looking mad. I'm robbery, we know. Now what they are not mother that the really woman that the really woman believe in dignity in labor. Yeah. But today everywhere you look around, if you not care about the woman, when you care about the woman, that is not the generation that I saw. The generation I saw told me the times will change, but the values of my great will remain. Professors are in their 70s. That generation na PhD that they ought to have given 30 years ago. I went to 3 universities in the course of academics in this country. I started teaching in Medjugorje, and I saw professors who were in their 30s. I went to Ibadan to do a master's degree program, and I saw professors that were so upwardly mobile. Fanazo Madu, Fanuel Okotazo, Ofu professor making 10 fellowships, 20 fellowships, but we need to now work on that. Go to University of Nigeria. 10 years you have not defined what you came to do. 10 years you are still doing project proposal. And that's where Lupo you want to keep you to pay fees and do nothing. Over time, you begin to diminish. Over time, you begin to disintegrate. Over time, you get frustrated enough away. That is the Igbo man. So who bears again anything? On our walk. So the simple, I like even when this only remembered. I'm not on my grave. Mana, I'm not there. You will be only remembered for the things you have done. How many of our elders will be remembered for the things they have done? There is a big gap. Oh, funny, amazing. Or to our credit. All kinds of things. That is not Igbo. Can we begin to teach this generation? If Igbo meaning, or in Nigeria, or in Biafra. It is something we need to go back and look for. The other day, one day, I didn't be in social media. They will not be out. It was like an institution. Papa Mona told me to singing Afro Ada told you. And so when he stood, he stood. We need to raise the children. We need to go back to raising our children. And what was the generation of even my small house in the village, as now I have to buy a belt. Now I have to wear a new red. Now I have to go on your science, I have a friend. If I am perfect, they make you afraid of coming to the village. They make you afraid of bringing your children to the village. Within a few months, genuine will say, that generator house. That generator house. So when I saw it, somebody said, don't touch. Never were the poison. Don't touch it. And I pulled back. And we did all the fire prayers, roast by fire, die by fire, before the poop was removed. Do you see me tomorrow? Mbia, manchapazo, mwebaka. Otu akesi ebe nwanne. Anyị ga-anachi ya back to onye ọbụla. Everybody become your brother's keeper. That's where we need to stand. We have raised an egocentric generation that will put us in nursing homes. And I didn't wait for ever. Nothing was not in a village or family. If I take full amount, you know, also swap from a beer. Manu be all over the place. Children don't care for their H1s anymore. Children don't care for their when is this man or woman going to die? So that I will occupy. If you're not careful, long enough. He celebrated 70. He was at 8. That's not okay with compensation. So that you will give them values, don't leave money for them. Or leaving money at a politician's these days worry. Or money more than one room. It's a member having that. I like vendors. Uno get like one in or you need more than one room. I don't mansions. Build the children, not institutions. Build institutions, yes. Build the children, yes. Don't acquire wealth that you don't need. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I said it was coming up. Thank you very much. I need to know the name of Uroku. I need to know one hour.
Chapal, but it's Chapal. Don't you Adikenga?
Adikenga.
Don't you Adikenga?
Adikenga.
Don't you standing ovation?
Adikenga.
Adikenga. General Manager Solid FM. Dr. Mrs. Sendo, Pat Sendo. General Manager Solid FM. 100.9.
Thank you very much. We really do appreciate everyone.